Bitches. Alright. I'm going to show you how to change a tire on an airplane. I already got it off. I already broke the bead. I guess I'll sit down. Got a 1/2 inch and a 1/2 inch. Bolt head right there. One. Two. Oh, here's the bolt. Back half comes off. Only 2 washers. Oh, there it is. Front half, don't rip the valve stem. Front half comes off. Tubular dude. Comes out. Get rid of that. New tube. Baby powder. Goes in. Don't breathe that in. God. Powdered up. Like your sack. See that red dot? Line up your valve stem with that. Get the air out of it. Hold on. Get a little air in this. Just my house.
I think I'll go find something. Basically, what I use, not usually, but like to do, is I stop at Subway.
Yep.
And I get a foot long of that turkey and ham. And then I bring it home and cut it in half. And I'll have half for lunch and half for dinner.
That works. Washer.
I put those clamps over
And
here
then
on
that.
the desk.
All right. Thank you. Boom, boom. Bang, bang. Pow. And once these are on, you tighten them up. Don't pinch the tube.
You put the wheel back on. I got to do an AD on the inside.
Okay. Snug. Snug. What do I put in this? 41? Oh. You need the hose?
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if the compressor's on or not. There you go. Say change the tire.